Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the time and calendar on any Fire-Boltt smartwatch. As you can see, the time on my phone and my watch is not matching. Unfortunately, you cannot set the time manually on the smartwatch. You will need to connect the watch to your phone to update the time. First step, turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure your phone has an internet connection. The smartwatch should be charged, turned on and not connected to any other smartphone. Install the DaFit application from your application store. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect the watch to your phone. As you can see, the time and calendar have been updated on my smartwatch. Here is a video on how to change the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.